Here's how to use a new smartphone app to measure and map soil compaction with almost any compaction tester. This way you can know where to actually focus your tillage and where you can cut back on all those unnecessary expenses.
The first thing you're going to want to do is download the SmartProbe app. It's available on both iPhone and Android on the Google Play and iOS app stores. Go ahead and hit download. Now, once that's downloaded, go ahead and hit open. First, click the bottom right hand corner in your profile and then select penetrometer settings. Now make sure you have the right penetrometer selected before you start. Now, go ahead and add a new farming organization and put in the name of your business or farming operation. Next, you're going to want to add a field, put in the name of whatever field you're going to be working on that day. And then the next step, you're going to want to hit survey and add a new survey, and be sure to select the soil saturation level that's most fitting at the time of your probing.
The next step is to mount your phone to your soil compaction tester. This will make collecting the measurements much more easy. So what we're going to do is go out to a place of interest in our field and poke this into the ground the first 3 inches and just log that pressure. And then we repeat this as we move down the profile. Try to keep your probe as straight as you can and go at a rate of 1 inch per second. That's going to make sure you get consistent and even readings. And then once you're done with this, you just move to the next spot in your field. On our farm, we mostly just spot check nowadays, but it's really great if you can do more samples and get a great baseline reading of your soils. Now, the next step is to go check some other spots in the field, and we'll know exactly how to manage our soil compaction. So then we can focus our tillage on only the acres that'll see a benefit and save our soil and the expenses on all the acres that won't see a benefit from tillage. So wish me luck.
So here's what that looked like. As you can see, we did have some severe compaction down in the south and a little bit in the east and west headlands as well. So I did 1 acre grids on those high traffic areas just to get a good reading on where that compaction started and stopped. And I did 2.5 acre grids on the inland acres just to save some time. So at 4 inches, we definitely had some compaction. At 8 inches, we see that diminish just a little bit. At 12 inches, we see that same pattern, but slowly diminishing. And as we continue to look down deeper into the soil profile, we see that we still have some severe compaction deep on just one end of the field. So now we'll just target those areas with our subsoiling and maybe VT the rest of our stocks just to manage the residue better. But thank you so much for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions in the comments, and I'd be happy to help you. Thanks.